Hey everybody, happy July 4th, 2026. And to celebrate our nation's 250th anniversary, I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase. And what better way to celebrate it than buying from an American company? This is the EDC hardware tactical watch. The model of this is EDC2-B. With all my purchases, I like doing these unboxing videos. I bought this item with my own money. I have no affiliation with the company at all. I like doing these in case there's somebody sitting out there thinking about buying the item. They want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's quality like, etc. Wow. Nice box. $195 is what I paid for it. Now first let me tell you, how did I come across this company? This company, I guess, has an affiliation or is the parent company of LoomTech watches. Bought a LoomTech watch a couple months ago and I loved it. I actually bought a strap for it and the strap was from EDC hardware. It is a, I guess, side brand of this company. Both are out of Mentor, Ohio. The company is EDC hardware out of Mentor, Ohio. Started researching them, saw some watches on their site. Now this LoomTech watch is quite a bit more expensive. When I saw this one for $195, I just thought you got a lot for your money. So let's take a look at it. Wow, how about this? Really nice leather case. Wow, it's actually very similar to the LoomTech watch when I got it. The case is pretty much the same, colors are different. Let's take a look at everything here. Basically got your certificate of authenticity, your 2-year warranty. I really like the case they give you here. It basically opens up, and I guess you can keep straps, tools, anything like that, polishing cloth in the case. Very nice. And then have a look at this watch. Wow. So let me zoom in a little bit. Hopefully you can see this okay. Now, just like I did with the LoomTech watch, the only thing I didn't like about it is I'm really not a nylon strap guy. I tell you, this nylon strap is pretty interesting though. It's kind of a stiffer strap, whereas the one that came on my LoomTech was a lot looser than this. I did go ahead and order a replacement strap. I'll show you guys in the video. I'm going to replace that. Not sure if you can hear it. There's fireworks going off in the background. Again, I said it's July 4th, so. There is some plastic on the bezel. Let me get that off. What I love about this company is, to me, they do everything right on a watch. 40 millimeter case. Some of these watches these days are just huge. 38, 37 millimeters is too small. I think 39 to 41 is ideal for me. And this one comes in at 40 millimeters. 47.9 lug to lug. It is a 20 millimeter lug width, so 20 millimeter replacement strap. Look at some of the finishing on here. They have their EDC engraved in the side. This thing uses a Miyota 2170 solar movement. And I don't really know much about that movement, but what's great with it is you can't see the solar panels on the dial. Let me see if I can get some better lighting. There we go. I just thought it was a sharp looking watch, especially for the price. Now I mentioned that this is the EDC2. They basically have some different models of this. My bezel has just a flat finish. There's no kind of markers or anything like that. They've got more of diver bezel options with different fonts. I just thought this was a clean looking watch. What's really interesting about this one is it has a 3-layer dial. I don't know how well you'll see it, but it almost looks like you've got 3 layers. I think they did this with like a laser printer or something. I was reading on their website, but I just thought it looked sharp. You've got these different layers that stick up, and then your loom is kind of embedded underneath them. And we will be taking a look at the loom here in a second. Just wanted to show you it ticking. Let's take a look at the band. I will be taking the band off shortly. Not sure how well you can see that. They've got their logo on that buckle. It's kind of more of a brushed case versus the LoomTech that's a little bit shinier. I love the second hand, just the finishing on it. I tell you what, before we go to changing the strap out, let's take a look at the loom. Wow, look at that. This company really knows how to do loom. Even the Loom Tech, when you come in from the outside, it is so bright. And then the great thing is it lasts throughout the night. It's got a really long longevity. This one is really nice. Flat sapphire crystal. On a full charge, this thing can run for 4 months. So that's a quick look at it. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to sit it here. Let's go ahead and change out the strap. See what it looks like with a different strap on it. It has push pins, so really easy to change out. Since we've got the strap off, I thought I could give you a look at the case back. Wow. Basically it says EDC hardware, solar. Looks great. Has a screw down crown. Let me go ahead and show you that. Wow, it is really threaded. Hackable movement. You'll notice the second hand stopped. Tell you what, let me go around just so you can get an idea of what the logo looks like. And I don't know if that logo was loomed as well. Yeah, it looks like there's loom on the logo as well. A really smooth crown. But wow, what a great looking piece. $195. If you were on a budget and you're looking for a sharp watch that you can either go sporty and casual with the nylon strap, or you can dress up with a different strap. This thing, I feel like you get a lot of bang for your buck. I have small wrist. I have 6.5 inch wrist. Oh, how great does that look? Well, folks, this is one of those watches that there's just not a lot to show you because there's not a whole lot going on, but that's what I love about it. I wanted to mention, though, if you look at the ticking, it's ticking every second now, whereas a minute ago it was moving every 2 seconds. That 2-second tick is a low battery indicator, so when I opened it, took it out of the box, the battery was low. Now I've been wearing it, it's got some light, and it's charged up, and you can see it's ticking every second. I love that. I don't know about other people out there. I love solar power watches. Don't like messing with battery changes. It's a pain to have to wind an automatic watch, so this thing is perfect for me. If you are on a budget and you're looking for a good watch, I can't recommend this watch enough. I hate to say it, I actually like it better than their Loom Tech, and it's a third of the price of the Loom Tech watch. So both of them are great, but this one at $195 I think is a real steal. Not only that, you're supporting a local family-run American company with EDC hardware, so give them a look. As always, I hope the video helped. This has been a look at the EDC2-B tactical watch. Thanks for watching.